Within marketing, we talk about brand awareness. That is kind of key to communicate on the market, so the market finds the product or the service. So you communicate to your customers. That is brand awareness. And of course, then it's very important that the company itself have the brand awareness as well. Know what is it I have that I can contribute with. What is our strengths? What can we sell? What can we make a business out of? So internally within a business is often a lot of investments into research about what the market wants, and that is so much money that is invested into research about different products, how to attract their customers on the market. So brand awareness is the goal, and it also on social media, since each one of us on social media is kind of a brand, a personal brand on the online market. And I'm a coach, so I sell coaching. I also have business educations, and I also have business mentorship program. And one of my main specialties or expertise is within self-confidence, since I've seen that it's so much a lack of self-confidence that people don't reach their goals, or they give up too easily, and that is due to lack of self-confidence actually. So I have in-depth about self-confidence, since it's so crucial, because if you don't believe in yourself, you will not actually act upon your dreams. You just will daydream about it and will not actually act upon your wishes or your passion to reach your life and goals in life. I have a book that I write small things. It's a good idea to, that's why it's so important to also have the self-awareness. What is my strengths? What is my weaknesses? Analyze it's important to act upon things daily. So that's why also it's important to make a plan and you identify your self-awareness is very important. What do I want? Who am I? What can I contribute with to others so I can make a living out of it? Perhaps in my case, coaching, and also in your case, what you would like to achieve. I have worked within business for over 20 years, so I want to contribute with my experience and what to avoid pitfalls, and also to give advice how to reach your life goals and to have a better everyday life actually. So I have 2 published books. Structure is Key to Success is the first one, and the second one is soon about to be released, so I can't expose the title of it yet. But check out link in my bio and visit my websites and choose from the top menu, and there you will also see